making chocolate muffin Halloween for when it's Halloween. And then we can get lolly from somebody's house.
Starting to make the chocolate cupcake by adding 1 cup of wholemeal flour into a mixing bowl, 40 grams of chocolate baking powder, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, you can use normal milk too, it doesn't have to be plant-based milk, and some coconut oil or just any vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of yogurt of your choice, and don't forget the good old vanilla essence. If you're a vegan, you can totally skip this step, but it does help to make the texture moist and soft. Oh no, we forgot to put something in here.
What? Honey?
Something very important.
Is it honey?
Yes. Pour the batter into a muffin pan and bake them at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Now, let's get on with the frosting. I just love a simple cream cheese frosting. Mix all of them at a medium speed for about 5 minutes. Cover and let it cool in the fridge while we're preparing the most exciting part of this video, which is the Dalgona Candy. Normally they'll use white sugar, but I'm gonna try this with natural stevia. Let's see if it's gonna work. This step will feel like an eternity, but trust me, it will happen. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. And this is where the magic happens. Add baking soda and stir it away from the heat until you're happy with the volume. And with the speed of a rocket, quickly pour the Dalgona mixture onto a piece of baking paper. Let it cool for about 10 seconds and use a flat object to flatten it out. Take a cookie cutter and press it on top of the Dalgona candy and remove it.
Is it lolly? No.
How does people do this? You have to lick it. You have to
The other one tastes disgusting. So sweet. Rather fat.
Oh no! Oh no! Should we? Oh no! Okay, let's try again. Oh no! So hard! So hard. Okay, if I was in the game, I would probably get shot by now. But I'm not giving up, so let's just do it again. Pretty good. So we're gonna, instead of the normal Dalgona, we're just gonna do something a little bit different. Take the cupcakes out from the pan and let it cool before we put frosting on top. Pour the cream cheese into a piping bag and just do a couple of big swirls. And I think mine kind of look like the poo emoji. Add the Dalgona candy on top. There we have it, our Halloween chocolate cupcakes with healthy Dalgona candy.
My lolly.